asantefoɔ di ntintiman wɔ ɔman yi mu paa. Sɛ ɔma ɔhomene so a ebifoɔ bi adwane. Asantefoɔ no sɛ bra ne sɛ Charles McCarthy kɔkoeɛ no bi nso kɔboae ana nkranfoɔ kyimfoɔ ne akuapemfoɔ ka ho. Nti ɛsiane sɛ mobɛboa wɔn nti no ɛne ayɛ no nso ne mobɛko. Ahwɛ sɛ nkonim wɔ yɛn so anaa mo ne nkonim wɔ yɛn so. Nti asantefoɔ ne ba de nnuro ɛbae bosom bae ɔde nneɛma ɛbae. The conflict persisted and persisted till the Asantes were defeated. It was during the Akatamansu War that the Akuapem army captured the Asante war god. Asantefo a na ɔse ɛyɛ kum apem bɛba no. Asantefo a na ɔse onimkum na onimadwane no. Saa bere ne mu ɛna ɔko no ɛfono wɔn nti odwane akon.
Akuapem TV.
On the 𝐀𝐬𝐿 TV.
On the 𝐀𝐬𝐿 TV.
𝐀𝐬𝐿 TV.
𝐀𝐬𝐿 TV.
𝐀𝐬𝐿 TV. Biposo. Hein.
Every meal deserves a touch of greatness, packed with rich, deep flavors. Discover authentic flavor.
Well, the battle represents a pivotal moment in Gold Coast history and is widely regarded as an event that marked the decline of Asante military dominance over the southern states. Yeah, me pese me ma yeti ase ne say ebra ye call saa queen ana saa osai no na asantefo edi ntintiman ewo oman yi mu pa na se wo ma ohomene so a na baby phobia adwane na obia epe baby akọ enti sanse oma ohomene so a na obia epe baby akọ nti nipa bi hwe se kwan be ne befa so a ye bebre won ase ebio enye kuapem nkwa ne ko saa osai jitum saa enye kuapem nkwa ne ko saa osai. Well, if we talk about Akuapem people, who are the Akuapem people? Prior to 1730, we had some people on the Akuapem Ridge, but they have had a lot of issues, so they had to resort to the 𝐁𝐬𝐿 Council to invite 𝐁𝐬𝐿 to help them. 𝐁𝐬𝐿 brought Safori to help them lead the war so they become independent. They did after the war with the Kwemu people. Now, the Okuapemang in itself was formed in 1733. Safori consolidated loyalty through a ritual at Abutechi, which involved oath-taking. All the factions pledged allegiance and formed 5 divisions and integrated themselves into the Akan military traditions with Trepons, Guans, Kamenes constituting the core component of the Okuapemang as at that time. Well, records already show that the first Adaibutu festival was celebrated on September 26, 1826. And the first Ojra festival was celebrated from 16th to 20th October 1826. That is the main reason why we are celebrating our 200th Ojra this year. I want to reiterate that the Ojra is a yearly event, that we cannot say that at some point the Akuapem people did not celebrate Ojra. Say you can't say Ojura no edu baby ojaye and osan to aso a enye if you say afi da adeyo a ye edijura Okuapemang. Well, the war in itself in 1826 did not come in a fluke. Eye bibi na koka bibi na bibi ye bibi. Enti mpanisa ukotu se nipa benu kuntokwa emisa se eden na esi na mbisa se na no eden na esi. Before the 1826 war, there was a war in 1824 called the Nsamankor War. In fact, it was as a result of this Nsamankor War that we lived to see the 1826 war. In the Nsamanko War, Sir Charles McCarthy had marched in February 1824 to fight the Asantes. Upon seizing the large army, the Fanti and Wassa soldiers fled, leaving their arms behind, leaving unfortunate Sir Charles McCarthy and his men with the Dentra forces to fight the Ashanti and Anumansa alliance. Well, this Sir Charles McCarthy did not survive because the Asante army was more than the army he was coming with. So he was beheaded. He was beheaded. The Akatamanso in itself was fought for revenge. Na Santifo no say, Ebra, woni Sir Charles McCarthy 𝐀𝐬𝐿𝐴 no, nipa bi nso kɔboae a na enkranfo achimfo ne akuapemfo ka ho. Enti esanse mo bɛboa wo nti no, ne aye no, yenso yene mo bɛko. Na ya hwɛ sɛ modi nkonim wɔ yenso ana mo ni nkonim wɔ yenso. Enti Nana Osei Yawakoto eye na dwen sɛ ɔne nkranfo bɛko, ɔne achimfo bɛko, ɔne akuapemfo nso ɛbɛko. Nana onim sɛ abrɔfo no nso afa ne ho adwen deda. Enti British for Danes for ane Dutch for na onim sɛ ɔnyɔnko broni bi yɛkunu no ɔyɛ wɔn adwen sɛ ɛne yɛn nso yɛbɛdi anim na yahwɛ na Asantefo edi enkuku. Well, the Asantes were so formidable that they believed they could defeat their enemies, even though they are on their own territory. One day oba oswa, osi obebo na wabra usu. Enti baby a obia obetimi aba ho na wabebo efise ye frɛ kuma pemu a apem beba. Asante Yini Osei set off from Kumasi with his army, which numbered about 40,000. The army marched through Achim and Akuapem towards Dodowa because they had received intelligence on where their enemies were and where they had gathered. Well, like every war king, the Asante's 40,000 men had 12,000 forming the center, 10,000 to the right wing, 8,000 to the left wing, 8,000 to the rear, 2,000 to the reserve of the king's bodyguard. The army of the coast was made up of, as I said, Akuapem, Achims, Osudoku, Krobos, Akwemus, Shai, Fanti, Dutch, Danes, and the British. The early morning of 7th August 1826 proved to be a critical period as warriors from both sides prepared for battle by performing various rituals. Sabri ni muno yen koku ewo bra yen nyankuma de bi enti obi a oba okono ode na nyame bi ode nioma ogidi ene nioma obetimi di akokono na yeye na ekokono enya tio ne asekan ko na sabri no na ye de ko okun abrofo no de no kwasem ne se na ogidi se etio ne asekan ne beboa won nanso yentimamufo de na yagitum se yenuro nso ebeboa yempa enti Asantefo ne ba no wonso ode nuro ebai ode abosom bai ode nioma ebai. Well, the conflict persisted and persisted and persisted until the Asantes were defeated on the 7th August 1826. So 7th August 1826, Asantefo ntam kese na woka ontimi nsori enya ho de biarada. Nipa bi kura ka se sa 7th August 1826 inti ena ahema no etwa dancing cry no ebisa de bi si won cry ana ehu na eto wom na emu oden papa. Sabri mu ena senia maka ne da na mekoso aka ne se asantefo a na ɔse eye kuma pem apem beba no asantefo a na ɔse onimko na onim adwane no saa bere ni mu na ɔkono ɛfono wɔ monti odwane akon
𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 TV.
The 𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 TV.
On the 𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 TV.
𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 TV.
𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 TV.
See all my boys for 𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 man fit it break. It's all about shut up woman.
Oh, 𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 and command the 𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 Sako DNA.
Into the future we go. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Yo, if you have him, beep.
Me say nkola no my den on my da. Charlie then echo. This be your boy AMG medical. Mom wake you up him nyina Charlie. Me say nkola no my den on my da. What that crowd be sorry.
That fire will strike you for the thing you do to.
Hi, what's up my people? This is your queen Wendy Shay. If you're pimp, I want to see all my soldiers cause I'm a soldier.
Hey, I'm here tomorrow. I'm to be mobiato. I'm to be mobia. Capping for your rockstar comedians. Ladies and gentlemen.
Shadi Wokita Bugatti, so yeah, the trot trumpa, my on a gap. Joe Abedi Pocomi Kofi Kinat or Kodobi so move. I say, 𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 what I say.
Hello. Yo guys, I go by the name Jolly. We have been pronounced the name.
But me promo, I for people. Yeah, me did the pop skinny baby in our family lyrics from us or ding. Me just say yente. Me frobia a few. Yenina yeshia or people on this yeshia our mountain.
The people no so han for people no na yen toy 𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 kakra.
𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 TV. 𝐀𝐬𝐬𝐿 TV. Bepauso. Hein.